Tired of writing product descriptions that don't sell? Watch how AI generates compelling details in seconds. No more writer's block. So here's the plan. We'll navigate Hostinger's AI product details generator, set up your product type, and customize the fields to create a standout listing. By the end, you'll go from spending hours on bland copy to generating compelling, sales-boosting descriptions in just a few minutes. All right, let's jump in. Start by going to the blog section in your Hostinger website builder. This is where the AI tool lives, so it's your first stop. Now look for the option that says AI Product Details Generator and click on it. This is the engine that's going to do all the heavy lifting for you. A window will pop up asking, "What do you want to sell?" Click on that field to get started. You'll see a few options here. Go ahead and click on Physical Product. That's what we're working with today. Now just confirm that selection by clicking on Physical Product again, and again, and again. You'll click on it several times in a row as the system guides you through the setup. Keep clicking until it sticks. Once that's all confirmed, the next step asks about fulfillment. Click on products that require shipping or pickup. This tells the AI how your items will get to customers. Then click on the highlight option to mark your selection. It's just a quick visual confirmation. Now click Add Physical Product. This officially brings your item into the store system. Next up is pricing. Click on that to set how much you're charging. You can fill in your price here. After that, click on Additional Info sections. This is where you can expand your listing with extra details. Think size, material, care instructions, whatever makes sense for your product. Then click Options. This lets you configure things like color or size variations if your product has them. Now click Custom Field. This is great for adding unique information that doesn't fit anywhere else, like a model number or a special feature. Next, click Categories. Organize your product so customers can find it easily. Then click Related Products. This links similar items together, which is a smart way to encourage more sales. Click on Product to finalize all the details you've entered. And finally, click Save. That's it. Your product is live with AI-generated details that are ready to help you sell. So now you know how to use Hostinger's AI Product Details Generator. No more staring at a blank page or recycling the same tired phrases. You've got a tool that writes compelling copy in seconds. Give it a try on your next product and see the difference it makes.